What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video. Y'all see we got the wheels back on the car. Everything back good. I finally was able to get the headliner done. We got the headliner in the car. We actually moved it from over there to over here to get the headliner in. We had to do some searching, man, and stuff. I wasn't able to fully get the wheels back on until today because I had to go ahead and get all the lug nuts swapped out. Because crazy part is these are 7/16 by 20 lug nuts. These are 1/2 inch by 20, which fit, but when I got the rear end shortened, they changed the stud size, and instead of him changing the lug nuts, bro put the big lug nuts back on it. And I've been driving this car for months with those lug nuts, and I did not notice it had any issues until I went to take the wheels off, and I only had 2 lug nuts that were still tight on the back side because those are the ones he changed. And it just kind of one of them deals, man, where you gotta say you can't trust everybody in all these shops you're messing with, because I thought dude was good, man. He did a good job shortening the rear end, but just that misstep could have cost me everything. But y'all see, got the factory wheels back on. Those are good. We got the new headliner in. I just haven't finished putting the rest of the stuff in. I gotta clean the seats up, man. It was a big process, but the headliner is installed. Looks a lot better than the old one I tried to make. But there's only one problem I had with this old board, is it was just so worn out trying to get it back in here and cracked everywhere. I had to put a screw here to hold it, so that's the only thing I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna probably get one of those like tan rubber cap styles and put a cap over it, like the cap and the button cover, where you can't really tell. But other than that, we got the stars in. I'm gonna wait till it gets later at night before we light them up. I cut y'all back on in. I haven't actually ran the power wire yet fully. I just got it on a switch now in the back. I need to get that power wire ran, because what I want to do is, I don't know if I'm gonna go backwards into my taillight signal. So when I flip the taillights on, it powers up, or I'm gonna just come all the way to the front and go into my switch signal. Still debating. Still got to get this steering wheel off, put the factory steering wheel back on. So that's kind of where we are with all this stuff. We are going to pull a QA1 suspension off the back, because I don't know if y'all can tell, but it literally has no play. It doesn't got that boat feel. We're going back, like I said, all OG on this car for now. But the suspension in the back is definitely going back OG. I'm not going to fight to put the coils back in the front. We'll just put the coil springs, probably some KYB shocks in the back, just to get all that stuff squared away. We're going to finish all our weather strips. So much small stuff we're going to take care of with it. Y'all see, I said I got it over here plugged up, just plugged in the door for now, off the switch. Y'all see I got that one spot, but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna probably get that cap screw and put it over where it looks like a button instead of just a screw. But all these are the pins for the lights. As y'all see, they're everywhere. The camera makes them show real heavy, but without the camera, you really can't see them. I know I missed a spot, like a few spots right here in the middle, but it's all right. It's not a big deal. I gotta hang my other visor. But what I did notice is the console I got with it. So there is some changes I did notice between 87 to 92. The console, the roof console is different. I went to try to mount that roof console, and it's bigger than it should be on this one. So that's the issue. Now I gotta find another roof console. I've been looking for one. I haven't found one yet. But just gotta keep getting that stuff. But I am gonna mount the other sun visor. I'm just charging my impact right now. It died on me just getting all the other stuff back together, mounted up. We're surely getting it together, but I think it looks better like this, man. It looks cool with the big wheels on it, to be honest, man. I just love it in this Essence right here. So we're just gonna ride it like this for a little while, man, and just kind of take it out and enjoy it the way it is for what it's supposed to be. I love the big wheel culture, I really, really do, but this is a Cadillac, so this is gonna be her look for a while. She's probably gonna get a quick detail tomorrow. May do that. Cutlass, man, I'm just struggling with it right now. It's got a motor mount issue. I gotta find like the correct size motor mount because the ones I got from O'Reilly's don't fit. And I'm driving around with that bad motor mount on the left side, and it just vibrates the motor mount bolt loose and it backs it out. No matter how tight I put it, it vibrates it out. So I just gotta get that figured out. So yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all back on, show y'all the light show once we go ahead and let the sun go down. As y'all see, it's still bright outside, so we gotta let the sun go down and we'll show y'all that light show. Y'all see we back. Nighttime. Got everything situated. We're finna try to power up the lights. Get everything off. Let y'all see new headline in the headliner. Gotta go to the other side. Like I said, I still haven't wired up the power yet, but everything's working. So flip the light on quick. Got it plugged up in the door. Y'all see, I missed a few spots, but y'all see we got the lights in. See if we can get the shooting star to shoot for you. All right, come on. There you go. Got the shooting stars in. Everything looking. It looks a lot brighter on camera, but it's not that bright. What? I think it looks good. We definitely could have put some more stars in some of these open spots, but I try to separate them from the shooting stars. But yeah, we may go ahead and pull it back down and add some more, but probably not. It's not bad for my first try. Yeah, I had a few little issues. Y'all see I got some lights poking out the front I gotta get fixed, so that'll be a next little project for me to fix the ones in the front. But I think it looked great. Like I said, we got a few flaws with it. It's my first time doing it, but shoot the power off. I think that's gonna look good once I get it done and I get the rest of the small stuff I'm trying to get figured out, taken care of. So, what y'all think of the Starlight headliner we got installed? Back OG. So y'all see, headliner's in. It didn't take me that long to build it. It took probably, I was being lazy, I ain't gonna hold you. It took me like a week because I started running some lights. And that's kind of what happened in the end where I ran out of like, didn't run the rest of the stars. I kind of just tucked them. I was tired. I didn't really want to mess with that the whole time. So I was like, this would be good enough. It's my car. It ain't gotta be perfect, but I may, like I said, end up taking it down and adding some stars, some more to it just to kind of make it a little bit better. But it looks great to me, so we definitely gonna rock with it. That's gonna be done on that for now. Get it detailed up, get it out of here, because I ain't drove this thing in like 3 weeks. It's just sitting here. Our furthest is wind is from one spot to another spot, so we're gonna drive it, get it cleaned up, and kind of just figure out what else I want to do on the inside of it for now while we just waiting on some of the other stuff to show up, and then just come up with a plan of attack for my Cutlass, because that is really moving, probably gonna move in a different direction a lot faster than what I expected. So we definitely gonna start probably next week. Probably gonna start next week getting these doors off, because I need to get the hinge pin replaced on this side, because I just noticed I'm having an issue. I don't know if I can get it on the camera, but open that up, which I know is common on these, but if y'all can see it, so I done have some issues right here because my door is off. So I may have to get that starting to crack, sand it down and weld it, repaint it right there with some touch up, because of how it's not, the door's not sitting flush and even, so it's making it harder to shut. So that is why we gotta fix these pins, hinge pins, because I don't want to deal with that, any further issues with that. So yeah, Got the shooting stars in. Show y'all one more time. I guess I just got it on a little switch for now. There they are. Lights on. Looks a lot better when it's more light in here, but they on. We just gotta finish it out. Anyway, man, that's a quick update for y'all. We sourced a bunch of the parts for this. We're not gonna start busting this down for the LS swap until I got the motor, the trans, the harness, literally everything. Because I want to be able to do that full LS swap on this in a week. So we just still resourcing all our parts that we gotta have. Gotta have the gas tank. We have to replace the gas tank, lines, motor, trans brace, everything. So I'm gonna make sure I got every last bit of that before we start tearing that apart. So y'all stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all for watching the videos. Quick update video for y'all, man. We'll catch y'all in the next video.